We're here today with today's man of the match, national player Demario Phillips. Demario, I mean, how would you, define your game today and your play?
Well, it's natural for me to just go there and put in the hard work, and that's what I did. We got a goal from a set piece that was well worked in training, so I say congrats to myself and the team.
Yeah, but you guys created so many opportunities today, and we just spoke to the coach about that. What do you need to do so that you and the players on the field, because it comes down to you to ensure that you're more clinical in the games coming forward?
It's not naturally like it's natural for us to put away those chances, but today is just a bad day in front of goal, and we just have to go again and get some training done in front of the goal.
Yeah, man, and finally, many new players. How is it playing with the Demario Deacon, the Guthrie and Gawain, Austin? There are some of the new players and there are others. How have you adjusted or helped them in adjusting?
Well, it makes my work easier, but at the same time, I have to set the example on the field by putting in the hard work so that they will follow.
Yeah, man. All right, Demario, good game, and congratulations on your Man on the Match award. Yeah, man.